pwede ba? Kaya lang lampa ako eh. Sobrang saya. Sobrang ganda ng creation ni Lord. One, two, three. Kayo pala magpe-prenup eh. Hi! So, that was our trip to Tanay. Ayan nga. Dahil nga, sabi ko sa inyo, kami, mga gusto talaga namin nature. So, ako, personally, I prefer that kesa yung pumunta sa city, pumunta sa mga trending na restaurants. Ewan ko, parang mas satisfying sa akin yung pagka pumupunta ako sa isang place na nare-remind ako sa goodness ni God. Jopel and I are blessed because we get to do this with my parents because they demonstrated to us how to grow old with someone, and sobrang nakaka-inspire. They may not be the perfect couple, but nakita namin sila how they grew together, how they worship God together, and how yung gift of marriage na na-enjoy nila yung mga magagandang bagay beyond material things na galing kay Lord. And Jopel and I are just so inspired with their marriage. And this reminds me that we are ought to demonstrate love by example. So kung gusto natin turuan ng ibang tao how to love, like kung paano ba yung gusto ni God na i-practice natin, it is best demonstrated with example. Madami tayong pwedeng sabihin, pero iba pa rin if we show it through example by what we do and how we stand the test of time, yung iba't ibang mga nangyayari, how we still choose to love no matter what. And if you demonstrate love like that, it is caught and it is passed on. So just as how I and Jopel are inspired with my parents, I hope that kami din maka-inspire ng iba. So yun, let's remember that it is always better to teach through example. Kinikilig si Tita Emma.
Dito dapat doon ka sa tabi. Chorus.
Dito na tayo magpakasama.
Oh no.
sobrang nakaka-humble lang. And I just want to echo din yung sinasabi ni David. Who is man that you, God, are mindful of him? Sino ba tayo, di ba? Para kalingain tayo ni God ng ganun. Pero, wala lang. Nakaka-amaze. Grabe niya tayo kamahal.
Basabi. Bispo si Paulo.